Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use object eraser on the new Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 and it's the same also for the other new Samsung Galaxy phones. And I will go to the gallery and here I have a photo and I want to remove an object from this one, and for that you need to tap on the AI icon. Here there is, and here we have object eraser. Wait for a few seconds. Now analyzing. And here we have two features, erase shadows and erase reflections. And I will use the first one because I want to remove some shadows from this picture. And for that, just tap here on the feature. And this is how it looks now. And I will show you how it was before. And for that, I will tap on the back. And as you can see here and here, we have two shadows. Right now, we don't have any more. Okay, and now if you want to remove an object, just circle it or tap on it like this, and then just tap erase, wait again, and we don't have anymore that object. Now you can save the picture, you can save a copy if you want. Okay, and this is the new one, and this is the old one. Okay, so you can leave me in the comment area how do you think about this new feature and how it works for you. In my opinion, it's a very good feature. And also I hope this video to be useful, and see you to the next one. Have a nice day.